Hi friends, Namaskar. I am Anita. Today we are going to make fish in soya sauce curry. Here are the ingredients. Take 4 pieces of rohu. We can take any fish. I have taken rohu fish. Now we are going to marinate the fish. So we need little bit salt, right, turmeric powder, then little bit chili powder. So it should be little spicy, so we need more chili powder and mix it well. I think I need to use my hand. So and mix it well, set aside for 30 minutes. Now marinated fish is ready. So take half cup of bell pepper, which I have cleaned and diced, or you can take a green pepper, red pepper, anything, whatever you want. Take 4 slices of carrot. Take 1 banana pepper, which I have cut like this. Take 1 to 2 tomatoes, which I have cut, and some spring onion, salt as per taste. Take cooking oil and take ginger, which I have cut as long stripes, and take some garlic, which I have cut as small sliced, and take 1 green chili, which I have cut. Make it half. And take dark soya sauce. This is take light soya sauce. Take the oil. Now oil is hot. You need to deep fry the fish. Now fry this onion. Chilli you need to fry. It turn to brown in color. Now onion is little bit brown. So now we add green chili and add the ginger. Then you need to add garlic. Then mix it well. Slowly fry till the all ginger, garlic and onion turn little brown in color. Let it fry for 5 minutes. Now add the carrot, sliced carrot, and the bell pepper, and mix it well. Add little bit of salt. Then fry it well. Mix it well. So now look at the carrot and the bell pepper is cooked well. Bell peppers and very high in vitamin C and in high antioxidants. So it's good for health, and my family loves to eat the bell pepper. Now we added banana pepper and tomato. Now we are going to check the banana pepper and the tomatoes is fried well. So this recipe is very easy. So instead of fish you can cook with mushroom, and you can cook with tofu or paneer. Now I am going to add the dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. Then add 3 tablespoons of light soya sauce. Then mix it well. Now I am going to add the fried fish. Cook for 10 minutes. Now we are going to check the fish. Now we are going to add the 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well. Now friends, fish curry is ready. Now is ready. The fish in soy sauce curry is a Malaysian style of recipe. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to comment below in my box. Bye.